Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into something really powerful, building AI agents inside N8N. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own smart automations that think, adapt, and make decisions for you, you're in the right place. Today isn't just a tutorial, it's your first step into building intelligent systems that can literally scale how you work without needing a huge team. Before we get hands-on, we have to answer a very simple but important question. What are agentic systems? You can think of agentic systems like teams made up of two players, agents and workflows. Workflows are like strict factory lines. They always do the same thing, the same way every time. Agents, on the other hand, are like smart managers. They decide which tools to use based on what's happening right now. Take a look at the image here. On the left, you see a simple factory assembly line labeled workflow. On the right, you see dynamic robot arms labeled agents, making decisions in real time. That's the difference. When you look at a workflow, it's like a straight highway. Input goes in, process happens, output comes out, predictable every time. But an agent, it's more like a GPS that reroutes depending on traffic. Agents look at what's happening live and dynamically choose the best tools to reach the goal. You'll notice on this slide, we split the screen. On the left, a straight line with clear steps. Input, step 1, step 2, output. On the right, a branching neural network with decisions at each fork. This is the key difference. Workflows are fixed. Agents are flexible. Now let's talk about the control panel you're going to be working with inside N8N. N8N organizes everything around three main pillars: workflows, credentials, and executions. Workflows are your building space. Credentials are your keys to other apps. Executions show you what's running and when. Master these three areas, and you can master almost anything in N8N. To build anything meaningful, you need to understand the tools N8N gives you. Every automation, every agent, is built from 5 types of nodes. Triggers start things. Actions make something happen inside an app. Utilities transform and clean data. Code nodes let you add custom magic. And AI agent nodes, they make decisions intelligently. Think of them like Lego bricks you can combine in endless ways. All right, let's build our first agent together. We keep it simple to start. A chat message trigger, an AI agent node, a model like OpenAI's GPT-4o, and a little bit of memory so our agent can remember the conversation. If you've ever chatted with a bot and felt like it had amnesia after every reply, you know how frustrating that can be. Without memory, agents reset with every input. With memory, they can hold conversations, follow threads, and make better decisions. Here on the slide, you see 2 funny examples. On the left, a goldfish forgetting conversations instantly. On the right, an elephant connecting chats beautifully across bubbles. Window buffer memory stores a few recent messages, making agents feel way more human. Now let's level up our agent by giving it tools. The first tool we're adding is Airtable. Airtable is like Google Sheets on steroids, perfect for managing things like inventories, customer lists, or orders. After connecting a tool, it's time to test. You don't have to guess if it's working, you just ask it questions like you would ask a person. Searching is great, but real power is when your agent can update your systems dynamically. So now we add a second Airtable tool. This one allows the agent to update our inventory based on conversations. This is where things get magical. Normally, you'd have to hard code what goes where. From AI expressions, your agent dynamically fills in the fields based on the conversation. When projects get bigger, you need to break them into smaller pieces. Instead of one giant agent doing everything, you create smaller specialized agents, sub-agents, and connect them. Each mini agent has its specialty. This is how you scale without complexity. Focused agents for specific jobs. Thanks for spending this time with me today. You now have the basics to start building powerful agentic systems. Remember, the future belongs to the builders, the people who don't just use technology, but create with it.